hikayatin po natin yung mga Pilipino, yung mga manonood to come at Giannis.
Sa lahat ng nanonood, come try Giannis here in Lawag City. Dito po, masarap ang pagkain. The place is very nice and see you here.
The celebration of life and freedom defines the Ilocanos' way to express the fundamental dogma that is independence, a creed solemnly sacred for the betterment of a people and a nation. The Araw ng Kasarinlan was a catalyst to this humble and honorable cause. Through the artisans and their works, the uniqueness of the people from Ilocos Norte came to fore, thus truly shedding a shining light of hope and prosperity by bringing people together to enjoy a distinct experience only found here in Ilocos.
What makes us human is humanities. It is through arts that we become sensitive to the needs of others. We become sensitive to our community, to ourselves, and with that sensitivity, we become more responsible to our life, and not just our life, but also to the community that we serve. The only hope for us really to transform as a nation is not politics, it is not economics, no, it is not or other medias, or rhetorics, something like that. I think the only, as far as I'm concerned, it is only through arts that we can transform people.
The simple celebration of a day brought a new meaning to togetherness and has thrust the future of this province of Ilocos Norte years forward. This is the Araw of Kasarinlan. Peace and prosperity to all, and join us again next year.
We've seen the best of Ilocanos, the best of Ilocos Norte, from their own different fields, music, handcrafts, name it, we have it. It's so heartwarming to know that we Ilocanos have the guts, the talent that we can prove. And now all I can say is I am very much proud to be an Ilocano. I guess this night is still young, but it's time for me to thank Giannis